Hey everybody, it's me again, Shannon, practice Paracord. Today's video is going to be a lot of practice for me, y'all. I'm going to be slinging from different distances, using different size slings just to see which is best at which distance. Now, which one I'm anxious to use is my 80-inch sling from 30 meters. All right, because 30 meters is in the competition, and it's going to be the hardest one, so got to get my practice in, y'all. I'm going to show y'all what sling I'm using, and I'm just going to fast forward everything so it's not too long of a video. Let's see what happens, yeah. All right, y'all, first off, it's going to be my 80-inch Paracord Smiling Sling, y'all. I got 10 baseballs. Let's see what happens. Well, that was 2 points. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try it again. What I learned is if I try to throw straight over the top, the plane up and down is a lot easier to hit the target than if I throw 3/4. 3/4, it keeps wanting to curve so much. So I'm gonna try to throw these over the top, see if I can get a better score than 2. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I just missed it. Dang. Ooh. 8, y'all. That's not bad. 8 at 30 distance. So, put that in the old slinging calculator, right? If you're slinging and it keeps curving, try to throw it straight over the top. And honestly, me mentally thinking I'm pitching, you know, when you're on the mound, you gotta throw like this. So when I'm slinging, instead of pulling it like this, I'm trying to go over the top. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but that was different that round. Let's go pick up the balls and try this with a 60. All right, with everything we learned today, we're gonna apply it to the old 60 inches, y'all. 60 inches to my shoulder. Oh, 1 point, baby. Ooh, 3. 4. 5. That's not bad for the 60. Changing up slings, and I don't know. This is the one I was gonna use, but now I don't know. Let's try it again, y'all. Let's see what happens on round 2. Same thing. All right, y'all. Let's do it again. 60-inch Smiling Slings, 30 meters away. Baseballs as ammunition. Oh, come on. Oh, 1. Oh, goodness, what are you Ah, tied it again, y'all. Tied it again. Whew. All right. Let's see what a 48 could do, y'all. All right, y'all. We're gonna go with the old Paracord wax 48-inch Smiling Sling at 30 meters. 80-inch sling, 7 points. 60-inch sling, 5 points. See what happens with this bad boy. Oh my goodness! Off the dome, baby. Ooh, that was just one. That was just one. Ooh. 4 points. 4 points. Well, look at this old 48 incher. Ah. They ain't dry. Oh, see that curve though? Oh, come on. Oh, dang. All right. 4 points for those Smiling Sling. 48 inches at this distance is pretty hard. Reason being, you gotta force the hit. You know, you kind of gotta throw a little higher than your target, or a little harder, and all your shots are low. So that's what makes it different than the 60 inch or the 80 inch, because the power's there. You're just aiming little left, little right. All right, we're gonna try the natural sling next, see what happens, y'all. All right, let's see if the old natural sling can beat 4 points. 4 points. 7 is the champion right now, but 4 is what his older brother said. Older brother had. Ah. Oh my goodness, off the dump again. Look at that, boy. Oh, I need to find that. Oh. Oh, that's 3. Oh, that's 4. Oh. Oh. There it is. That's 5. Oh, inches. Oh. Last shot, y'all. Can he win? Oh, it done hit 6. It done beat the 60 incher. Natural sling wins again. I'm gonna show y'all. I came a little loose at the end, but don't worry. I know how to fix that. Real easy. Anybody that gets an all natural sling, this will not happen. I know how to fix it. Well, all right. That was fun. Let's do us another round with the 80. See if anything changes. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can beat 7 points with the old 80-inch America sling, y'all. Hey. Hey, can we bring it back? Come on, bro, really? Tell you what, that's a lick there. 1 point, baby. Come on. Oh, one more. Good Lord, y'all. Good Lord. I threw like 3 over the fence. That tells you right there. When you're swapping slings up, you gotta throw them all different ways. A 48-inch sling to hit that target like I said, you gotta arch it. You arch it with an 8-inch, it just keeps on going, y'all. So, you gotta work on that muscle memorization. I'm gonna try it one more time, see if we can get a decent score. All right, y'all. Let's try to do something a little better than 1, okay? We'll try to hit 7. I'll try to get over 7. $80-inch sling. Okay, that's 1. Ah. Oh, yeah, baby. 3. Ah. Ooh, 4, 5. Holla. Straight up the pipe. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Ah. Oh, too hard. Oh. All right, y'all. I don't know. I'm a little undecided which one I really want to use. I mean, 60 is the one I like. 48 did surprisingly well. But I feel if I get used to the 80-inch, long distance like this will be good. So, what do you do in the middle of a competition when you go for 30 to 20? Do you do a lot of practice in between? You find a sling that you're used to for all of them? Do I use the 60 and throw harder than if I get too close with the long sling, I'm gonna suck? I don't know. Try to figure it out next couple videos or whatever. Once again, big shout out to the Catch This podcast. Y'all need to watch it. Y'all need to check it out. It's pretty tight. If you like slinging and you need to find some good slinging content, check it out, y'all. Kick, if you know Kick and old Knock, NOOC, No One of Consequence, they do a little podcast about slinging. It's pretty cool. I learned some stuff off the dump, so I recommend everybody watch it. Wax my slings. What kind of wax do I use? First, I just bought some rope dip. That's what the 48 inches waxed in, which is kind of like just like a plastic, I guess you would say. It might be wax, whatever. You pull it out, you paint it on. It's all right. It's all right, but it feels fake to me. Now, what I do on my natural slings, which I also like to put it on my new slings now, is beeswax. It's just some beeswax that they make in iglets, whatever you want to call it, and I just rub it on the sling. Heat it up a little bit and rub it. I'm about to add that feature to the store. I hope by the time this comes out, I got it. So if you want wax on your slings, you can choose to have it or not. If it does have the wax, the colors might not look so pretty. And if you're throwing with just baseballs, tennis balls, you don't need the wax. If you're throwing ragged, jagged rocks and stuff, I recommend the wax because you're going to cut the paracord and it won't fray up. It'll stay nice and smooth and last a lot longer time. I don't know. I think that's all the Q&As. If y'all got any questions y'all want me to answer, just drop them in the comments and I'll try to answer the best way I can. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell them the notification bell. Bing!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now, all the slinging techniques. Paracord and legend, I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord, let's go. Hey, only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, packing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.